Yes, Shabab, please. Please read the question 3.7, page 26.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, please.
In testing a BI controller with a proportional gain of 2 and
Proportional
integral
gain
time
2.
of 2 minutes per repeat. Constant
Integral
error
time 2 minutes per repeat.
of 4%.
Okay, constant error 4%.
Yes.
So the constant error is given, Shabab, like this. So this is at time 1 minute, it becomes 4% error. Yes, brother.
Continue.
Yeah, please complete it.
Is applied as shown in figure as follows. Determine
This figure. Yes.
the controller output due to proportional action.
So we need to find MP and draw. Then
Controller output due to integral action.
MI and draw. Then
3. Sketch the controller output.
so then we need to find the total output MPI and draw. This is our task for this given error. Yes, Shabab. So how we should start it? Yes, brothers, how we should start it?
0, 0 and 0 with
How we should start it?
4%.
Yes, Shabab, how we should start it? Brother Awad is writing find errors. Before error, what we should do? How many parts this curve has? This curve has how many parts, Shabab? Very good. Lot of brothers, they are writing 2 parts. Which one? T is less than equal to 1, greater than equal to 0 minutes. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me? That's good. Lot of brothers, they are writing yes. So what is here? T is here what?
T greater than 1.
Very good. T is greater than equal to 1 minute. What is error here?
0.
0. Very good. 0%. What is error here?
4.
4%. Very good. What is always first up? Always. First up. MP. Very good. Lot of brothers, they are writing MP. MP is equal to what, Shabab?
KCE plus MR.
KCE plus MR. How much KC? KC is how much?
2.
2. What is error?
0.
0. Very good. How much MR? How much M, Shabab?
0.
Zero. It is not given.
0.
That's very good. Brother, they are writing zero. It is not given. So it is not given. Take it zero. So how much? 0%. Altogether, 0%. Okay.
Yes.
Same first step here. How much? KC.
2.
1 multiply 4.
How much is KC, Shabab?
2 multiply 4, teacher.
2.
2? What is that? 8%. Is that correct, Shabab?
Yes.
That's good. Lot of brothers are writing yes. Very good. Always second step. It is which type of controller is this? PI, right?
My teacher, yes.
So output of integral controller equal to what?
KC over TI.
KC over TI integral
Integral
T1 to T2 error 0 dt. What is T1 here? What is T1? 0, T2 1. That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing it. So as soon as error is 0 here, we say it is 0. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
Okay, same step we're gonna do here. MI. How much KC, Shabab? How much KC?
2.
2. Very good. How much TI?
2.
TI is how much, Shabab? Lot of brothers are writing 2. That's good. Integral error 4 dt. So what is here T1? T1 is what here?
1.
1. See, this is 1. And how much is here? T2.
T.
T2,
T.
teacher.
Very good. We don't know this one still. Still we don't know, so we put the T. Still we don't know it, so we put the T. So this will cancel with this one. 4 will come out. T minus 1. Right, Shabab? This 4 we take common. T minus 1. So
Yes.
up to here, we are doing the mathematics. As soon as we move from this color to here, it is mathematics. It is not industrial control. It is not industrial control. It is basic mathematics. Okay. Always the third step. Yes, Shabab, what is third step? Very good.
Find MPI.
MPI. MP
0,
plus
teacher.
MI. Luckily,
Zero.
MP is here 0, MI is 0, so 0%.
Yes.
MPI here. MPI. M, how much? MP is how much? 8. Plus this one. 4T minus 1. How much Shabab? 4T plus. How much Shabab? 4T plus
4. خطأ teacher. 40
That's 4,
minus 4.
teacher.
You have mistake teacher.
huh?
You have mistake.
Sorry?
No teacher. It's good teacher. I understand.
Oh no, no problem, no problem. Take your time. That's good.
No, I think
Any brother has any question up to here, Shabab? Any brother has any question up to here, Shabab? That's good. Lot of brothers they are typing no. That's good. Okay. Now we need to draw it. Right, Shabab? So he is saying, what was the question? Find the proportional action and draw it. Then find the integral action and draw it. And then find the MPI total output and draw it. So let's start with the proportional action. MP. From 0 to 1, how much is MP, Shabab? From 0 to 1, what is MP? 0. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing 0. So here it is 0. From 0 to 1, it is 0. Good. 1 onward, how much it is? How much it is 1 onward? 8% constant. Say constant with it. 8% constant. Dr. Brother, mashallah, they are writing 8. 8% constant, not changing with the time. So we take this 8% constant like this. Right, Shabab? This is MP, output due to proportional action. Then we need to draw the MI, output due to integral action. Minutes. From 0 to 1. How much is MI, Shabab? From 0 to 1, how much MI?
0%.
Zero, teacher.
So, 0. After 1, how much MI? After 1, this is the MI, 40 minus 1. This one. Yes, Shabab.
40 minus
It
4.
is at 1, how much MI? MI at 1 is how much? 0, very good. So put here T 0. This is T is what? 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 4, 1 minus 1, that is 0. What is the second point? This is 1. So what would be the second point, Shabab? So let me write it here, the third step. MPI is 8 plus 40 minus 4, that is 40 plus 4%. Yes, Shabab, what is the second point for MI? What is the second point for MI?
The repeat minus 1.
How you get the 3? How we get this 3, Shabab? How we get this 3?
Time repeat.
1 plus
Plus
2.
repeat.
Plus 1.
Very good. What is the integral time here? Ti. A lot of brothers are writing Ti. So integral time is 2. So 2 plus 1, 3. Right? What is the integral time, Shabab? 2 minutes per repeat. So 2 plus 1, 3. So how much is 3? 4, 3 minus 1. How much, Shabab? 8%. Is it correct, Shabab? Is it correct? Is it correct, Shabab? 8%? Shabab with me? Okay, that's good. So, at
Teacher.
1, yes.
Last step, it's not clear. Can you repeat it, please?
What is not clear? Please ask the question.
Here, 3. How we
What is the integral time?
3?
What is the integral time?
What is it?
You tell me. What is the integral time? Lot of brothers, they are writing 2.
2.
Did you see the question in the book?
Yes, it's here.
So, we see there, what is the integral time?
Two.
So 2 plus 1,
3.
3. That's why we are finding the 3.
So that's why how we get 3.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
You are welcome. So now we need to draw it. Okay, Shabab. So at 1, this is 0, this is 1. At 1, what is the value? What is the value at 1? 0. At 3, it becomes 8%. So imagine this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So at 3, it becomes 8%. So how the line will go? Like this or straight line? It is with T. See here. This is with T. T minus 1. So it will, T mean what? It is changing with the time. So when it is changing with the time, the line should be like this. This straight line, Shabab. Like this. Shabab with me? Shubha with me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, that's good. Lot of brothers, they are saying, they are typing yes. Okay. Now we need to draw total output, MPI. From 0 to 1, what is MPI, Shabab?
0.
0. Very easy. Zero. 0 to 1. Okay, Shabab. Come this side. At 1, how much? MPI at 1, how much? 4 into 1 plus 4. How much, Shabab? Lot of brothers, they are writing 11. That is not correct in the book. See this one. 8%. Right, Shabab? Okay. What is the second point? M of 3, how much?
15.
15, teacher.
16. Very good.
And we get 100 T-sharp.
Sorry?
We get 100 equal and get T for 100. Huh?
Why you are going to 100?
Because I want
At
to.
1, it becomes 8%, Shabab. At 1, it becomes 8%. It goes to 8. And at 3, it becomes how much? 16%. Again, dotted line is just reference. It does not have any value. We just need to draw a solid line. And dotted lines are the reference. So this is our total MPI. Right, Shabab? We can get it mathematically after solving it, or we can get also from here directly. This is MP, this is MI. See here, this MP, this MI. Add them. From 0 to 1, what is MP? Yes, Shabab. From 0 to 1, what is MP?
In the book, MI is different.
What?
In the book, MI is different.
You do the question in the book, no problem. This is different question.
Oh, okay.
So what is MP from 0 to 1? From 0 to 1 minute, what is MP, Shabab? Very good. What is MP, MI? From 0 to 1, what is MI? 0. Both are 0. 0 plus 0, how much? 0. Shabab with me? So we can draw the MPI. We can draw MPI directly by adding this. At 1, what is MP at 1? At 1 minute, what is MP? 8. Very good. Lot of brothers, they are typing 8. What is MI at 1? At 1, what is MI, Shabab? 0. Lot of brothers, they are typing 0. That's good. So 8 plus 0, how much? 8. See, it is 8. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me? That's good.
Yes,
Lot of
yes,
brothers, they
teacher.
are typing here. Okay, at 3 minutes. At 3 minutes, how much is MP? At 3 minutes, what is MP at 3 minutes? At 3 minutes, 8. Very good. Lot of brothers, they are typing 8. What is MI at 3 minutes? At 3 minutes, what is MI? 8. That's good. Lot of brothers, they are typing 8. So 8 plus 8, how much? 8 plus 8, how much, Shabab? Lot of brothers, they are typing 16. So 8 plus 8, 16. That's it. So you can add both of MP and MI and you can get this one. So you can add MP and MI and you can get this one, MPI. Or from here, you can add and you can put the values. So whichever way you like, you can go both ways. Any question up to here, Shabab? Any question up to here, Shabab? So let me repeat once again. If you have missed anything, please try to understand now. Okay, Shabab. What happens? We were given Kc was given 2, integral time was given 2 minutes per repeat, right? Shabab with me? Shabab with me? Just go to lot of brothers. Yes. So we need to find output due to proportional action and draw. We need to find output due to integral action and draw. And we need to find MPI and draw. Okay. So what we did? This error is given. This error is given. So how many parts of this curve, Shabab? Shabab, how many parts for this curve? Shabab with me? 2 parts. Lot of brothers are writing 2. That's good. So 1 is from 0 to 1. What is the error from 0 to 1? What is error from 0 to 1, Shabab? 0. That's good. And after 1, what is error? 4. That's good. So we'll come here. T is less than equal to 1, greater than equal to 0, error is 0. T is greater than equal to 1, error is 4. So what with me? That's good. A lot of brothers are typing yes. Where are the typing brothers? Nobody is replying no. Shabab, please reply.
We are here, teacher. How are you?
That's good. That's good. That make me feel better. So here error is 0. Here error is 4. MashaAllah, lot of brothers now they are typing. Okay. So always first step. Output due to. Sorry.
I have confusion, teacher. Some
Yes, please ask. Yes,
What
please,
teacher?
please.
If t between 0 and 1, we got error 0. Why, teacher?
Sorry.
Why if a between 0 and 1 in the first part, we got E0?
Yes.
Why, teacher?
See here. That's what is given. Error is 0 here. This is 0. This is 4%. This dotted line does not have any value. This dotted line does not have any value. So you want to remove it, you can remove it. So here error is what? What is error here?
0.
0, right?
Yeah.
And what is error here?
4.
See here.
And I understand.
That's good. That's good. So here error 0, here error 4. So always first step, output due to proportional action. So we put the formula, we put the values, we'll get 0. Same here, always output due to proportional action. So we put the gain here, values here, the error here, MR is 0, 8%. That's about always second step, integral action. Output due to integral action. We write the formula, we write the values, we get 0. Here again, output due to integral action. Luckily, gain is 2, Ti is 2 minutes per repeat, error is 4, dt. So we cancel it 4t minus 1, like this. Then the third step, always MPI. So output due to proportional action, integral action, add them. Output due to proportional action, integral action, add them. We get 4t plus 4. Now we need to draw them. So we draw the MP from 0 to 1, it is 0, 1 onward it is 8. Shubha with me? Shubha with me? Oh, that's good. Lot of brothers they're saying yes. We drew the MI from 0 to 1 again to 0, and for 1 we calculate the values. At 1 it is 0, at 3 it is 8%. So we made it at 1038%. Now this one MPI we can draw by adding these two directly or by bringing the values from here we can draw it here. Any question up to here, Shabab? Any brother has any question, Shabab? Please ask. Okay, lot of brothers they are writing here. No.
Teacher,
So,
I have a question.
yes, please.
In the lab, teacher, you got 100, teacher. Can you?
Sorry.
In the lab, teacher.
Okay.
You got after we find the error, after the 3 and one and 3, we find 100. You got 100 equal. So we find T when the get.
I got your question.
Yes.
I got your question. I got your question, brother. In the lab, when we were doing it, this value went more than 100. You remember
Yeah.
that?
Yes.
Here it is not going more than 100. So we don't need to find the 100. You got my point?
Yes.
If this, we're going to solve a lot of problem for this one, don't worry. If the second value is going more than 100, then what we do? We find the 100 and we make it straight line, right? Here, it is not going more than 100. So here we don't need the step. You got my point?
Yes, I get it.
Okay, that's good. Now, Shah, what are the common mistakes the people do when they draw it? Please see here. Everybody see here, Shabab. Now, somebody will increase this one like this. No problem. This is a little more. Is it correct like this? No, it is not correct. Why? How much is your repeat? One repeat, 2 minutes. Right, Shabab? What is integral time? 2 minutes per repeat. So if you want to increase it, you have to go up to where? This is 3. 3 plus 2, 5. So you have to go up to 5. So my suggestion, don't go up to 5, just stop here. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me? So you have to, lot of brothers they are saying yes. Once again. One brother, two, 3 brothers they are saying once again. Okay, no problem. How much is one repeat, Shabab? How long is one repeat? Yes, Shabab, how long is one repeat?
2, teacher.
2, very good. The brother Ali Awad is writing 2 minutes per repeat. Integral time is 2 minutes per repeat. So if you wanna go more, 3 plus 2, how much? This is 3, right? 3 plus 2, 5. So you have to go up to 5. So you cannot say up to here, no. You have to go up to 5. So my suggestion, just keep one repeat, that's it. Shabab with me? Brother Awad, you got it? That's good. Lot of brothers there.
Get it again, please.
How much is one repeat? Tell me. How long is one repeat? Yes, brother, tell. How much is one repeat? 2. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing 2 because the integral time is 2 minutes per repeat. So 3 plus 2, how much?
5.
5. So if you wanna go more, go up to 5. Otherwise, just stop here. Right?
Yes, teacher, right.
That's it. So that's what I wanna say. So don't just keep it one repeat. So this is one repeat. From 1 to 3, 3 minus 1, 2 minutes, one repeat. Don't go more than that. Shabab with me?
Yes, teacher, yes, with you.
Yes, any person up to here, Shabab, please ask. You guys have any question up to here?
Teacher,
Yes.
the midterm will be at here, right?
Sorry?
Midterm. Will
Yes,
be until
midterm
this,
is up to here. Very good question. Yes, Shabazz. Midterm is up to here. Yes.
Teacher, can you again explain how to draw it?
Which one?
All.
No, you just draw it by yourself, right? Try it by yourself. If you don't get it, then you again ask me, no problem. You got my point?
I don't understand.
You ask me the question, what you don't understand? Tell me the question.
How to draw it?
No, that's what I'm saying. You watch this video again, right? You see it, you watch it. If you don't understand it again, you ask me, no problem.
How
You got
ask
my
you?
point?
The exam will be in the Monday. How ask you?
Sorry?
The exam will be in the Monday. How ask you? Not
Yeah, no
me.
problem, no problem. No. That's what I'm saying. I will put this video on the internet. You watch this video, and again, if you have any question, no problem. You ask me. If you need meeting with me, we can arrange a meeting, no problem. You just send me the mail. You don't understand, I will give you the time for the meeting. So we can meet on Blackboard again. No problem. You got my point?
Okay.
Yeah. Because it is already, I explained it already 3 times. You got my point? So you watch it again. I will put inshallah on YouTube. So you watch it again. If you are not understanding it again, you ask me, you send me the mail. We will arrange the Blackboard meeting again. No problem. Any brother, whoever has any questions, Shabab, please go through the videos again. If you have any questions, you give me like email, send me the email, or there is a brother Sajjad. He has the whole group, industrial control group. So you ask him, he will send me the mail, or you can directly send me the mail. So what we will do, we will arrange a meeting on Saturday, no problem, Sunday, no problem. So we will arrange a meeting, and whatever questions you guys have, we will reply them inshallah. Shabab with me? Everybody's there, Shabab?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Midterm will be theory, right? There is no multiple choices.
No, there is no multiple choice. You need to answer the question.
How many questions teacher will be there?
Sorry?
How many questions will be there?
Then I will put the exam, then I will see how many questions should be there.
Okay.
Yeah. So, but it is 1 hour exam. So, whatever can be solved in 1 hour, that will be the exam, inshallah. And again, Shabab, lot of brother, they have, like, you can say, as soon as they see the exam, they get panicked. So, no need to get panic. It is very easy exam, inshallah. And try to solve it as much as possible. Shabab with me. And try to do as much as you can do. Right, Shabab?
Yes, teacher. Okay.
Yes, thank you, teacher.
Teacher,
Okay, that's good. Okay, Shabab, once again, let me say it once again. Whoever brother has any question, whichever your question, first of all, please see the videos. If you still, after that, you have a question, no problem. You send me the mail, or you send message to the brother Sajjad, your group, we can arrange meeting on Saturday, we can arrange on Sunday, so to answer your questions. So please don't hesitate, but before you are asking the question, please make sure you have watched the video. Right, Shabab?
Teacher,
Yes.
what the
Can you
chapters
upload?
with us in midterm?
Sorry?
What the chapter with us in the midterm?
Oh, that's from first day until now. Whatever we have discussed, that is included. Don't go by chapters. Whatever from the first day until today we discussed, that is included.
Okay.
And there are some mistakes in our book that we clear here. So whatever we are doing here on the board, that everything is included. This is the preferred one, Shabab. Whatever we are discussing in the class, that is preferred. In the book, maybe there is some mistake, something wrong there. So whatever we are solving here, that is the correct one. Shabab with me?
Teacher,
Shabab with me? That's good. A lot of brother they are writing yes. So whatever we discuss in the class, that is preferred. That is the correct one. In the book, mistakes can be there. Yes,
Teacher,
Shabab, yes, please.
so now you mean if I understand all what you explain on the board and if I watch the video, that's enough for midterm, right?
Yes, inshallah, inshallah.
Okay, thank you.
You are welcome. Any other brother, please ask. If you have any questions, Shabab, please ask.
yes, teacher.
Yes, please.
Teacher, can you upload this video today?
Actually, if it comes today, I will upload today. You got my point?
Yes.
Because as soon as we finish the class, it comes after some time. You got my point? So as soon as it will come, I will upload. And if you remember, the last week video before the quiz, I upload on Saturday. You remember that?
Yes, yes.
So as soon as it will come, I will inshallah upload it.
Okay, great, teacher. Thank you.
Any other brother, please ask the question, please.
Can we leave, teacher?
Sorry?
Can we leave?
Yes, yes. If no question, please, please. Thank you very much, Shabab. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, brother. Lot of
Teacher,
brothers they're saying thank
teacher.
you very much. Thank you very much, Shabab. You guys have a
Teacher.
nice weekend. Yes.
I want to see the board on the other side for the old question, teacher.
You mean this one?
Yes, please.
Okay. Okay, Shabab. Thank you very much. Have a nice weekend.
And can I see the graph now, teacher?